The introduction of Affin Islamic Bank Berhad, a wholly owned subsidiary of Affin Bank Berhad, was established on 13 September 2005 and commenced operation as an independent Islamic bank on 1 April 2006. It provides a wide range of Islamic banking products and services to small enterprise customer and medium SME, international, retails and corporate. In addition, Affin Islamic provides Sharia compliant product that use several Sharia concepts such as musyarakah mutarakisah, mudarabah, istisna, ijarah, and others. About the Affin Islamic Visa Debit Card, is a Sharia compliant payment instrument offered by Affin Islamic Bank. The card tied directly to our checking account can be used where a credit card can be used. Basically, user need a PIN to complete the transaction. Good for daily use to help you stay within budget. Okay, next is about Affin Islamic Mastercard Basic. Is Islamic credit cards based on Sharia compliant financial product which are a part of Islamic banking. The card is line of credit you can access with your card. An Islamic credit card works the same way a conventional card works, which means you can swipe or wave to make a purchase, or can also use it for online purchases. However, an Islamic credit card has features that make a difference, such as no interest charge and takaful, and have takaful coverage and more. Example of use for hotel reservation and car rentals.
Now I want to talk about Sharia contract used in Affin Islamic Visa Debit Card. The underlying concept under this product is ujrah, or we call service fee. Under this concept, fee will be charged to the customer in consideration of identified services, benefit and privilege. Such services may include payment facility for goods and services and cash withdrawal from customers' account via automated teller machine. Based on this principle, the bank provide direct debit point of sale payment service and cash ATM withdrawal service to card members with a fee charged annually. Besides the annual fee, the bank will also receive revenue from electronic interchange fee charged to merchants and through multi-currency rebate. Next is Sharia contract used in Affin Islamic Mastercard Basic. Affin Islamic credit card is based on Sharia principle is tawarruk. So, what is tawarruk? Tawarruk is a series of sale contract whereby the buyer buy the commodity asset from the seller for the deferred payment and subsequently sell it commodity asset to third party for cash at the price less than the deferred price with the objective of obtaining cash. Under wakalah concept, the card member, or we call muwakil, appoint the bank as an agent to conduct and execute the particular buying and sale transaction. For this purpose, the bank being an agent to the card member entered into commodity murabahah transaction. This is based on murabahah, or we call cost plus profit, whereby the specific Sharia compliant commodity will be identified and used as an underlying asset for the purchase and sale transaction. Upon obtaining approval, the bank as an agent to card member shall subsequently on the next business day enter into a commodity murabahah transaction. The bank shall purchase the commodity on cash basis at the price equivalent to purchase price from commodity broker A. The bank will then sell the commodity to the card member represented by the bank as an agent at the sale price based on the murabahah, which sold the payable by the card member to the bank. The price represents the purchase price plus profit amount payable by the card member. Then, the bank will pay the card member's agent sell the commodity to the broker B on spot basis, in which shall be credited in the form of facility limit for card members' utilization. So, the modus operandi used in this debit card is ujrah, or we call fee. First, customer will apply for debit card from the bank. Second, the bank will provide the debit card account for the customer as what customer needed. Third, the customer need to put their money into account bank that they approached before. Fourth, the customer withdraw the money that they put in the account from the daily use by using debit card by Affin Islamic Bank. And the last step is the customer should pay the fee charged by the bank each year because the bank help them make the debit card.
For credit card, Affin Islamic Bank use Syariah contract based on tawarruk, which is the process is between bank, customer, broker A and broker B. I will explain about the use of credit card in the flow of tawarruk. The first step is bank will buy the commodity through broker A at the purchase price. The second step, the bank will sell the commodity according to the selling price, principal plus profit to the customer. The third step, the customer will sell the commodity purchased from the bank to the broker B and get paid in cash. Next, the bank will use the credit card facility for this process, and lastly, the customer will deposit the proceeds into the credit card account until it reaches the credit limit.
Features: Affin Islamic Bank Visa Debit Card versus Affin Islamic Mastercard Basic. To distinguish the two cards is to look at the My Debit logo and the word debit below for debit cards, while for credit cards only show the type of card and the name of the owner. The features of a debit card is the provision of ATM cash withdrawal facilities. Users can withdraw cash at ATMs without commission. Next, the payment convenience is a cashless payment using the MCCS and Visa contactless acceptance, where users only need to enter the PIN number or only need to pay with. In addition, users will get Affin rewards point provided by the bank, while the features available on credit cards are facility limit and effective profit rate. In this case, the borrower can spend money without restriction. Affin Islamic Mastercard Basic Effective Profit Rate. The intended effective profit rate is as in the table. Return transaction per annum for Tier 1 is 15% if the card member has promptly settled the minimum payment due for 12 consecutive months. Next, for Tier 2 is 17% per annum if the card member has promptly settled the minimum payment due for at least 10 months in a 12-month cycle. Furthermore, 18% per annum if the card member's payment record is not within the above categories is for Tier 3. For cash withdrawal transaction is 18% for each tier. Security features. Another security feature available is that Affin Islamic Visa Debit Card has secure chip and PIN technology that protect your account details and money. Next, an SMS alert will be sent free of charge to your mobile phone number registered with Affin Islamic Bank when a certain purchase amount is made on your Affin Islamic Visa Debit Card. Furthermore, to protect against fraud, you will receive a verification code via SMS to confirm your 3D secure online purchase. Benefit for Affin Islamic Bank Visa Debit Card is a contactless feature, payment convenience and better financial management where only cashless spending occurs. In addition, 3D secure online shopping that can use online banking and also free to shop abroad due to worldwide acceptance via Visa network. And for Affin Islamic Mastercard Basic, the annual fee is exempted for life. However, for other types of credit cards will be charged a predetermined annual fee. Next, the bank will provide an easy payment plan EPP to the card holder. This card is also a charitable contribution where it is a Sharia compliant credit card I. In addition, users who apply for this card will receive benefits such as complimentary funeral expenses takaful coverage of 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, balance transfer installment plan BPIP, and also called cash installment plan CIP.
The fees and charges Affin Islamic Visa Debit Card for annual fee for the first year is waived and subsequent year RM12 and RM8. Withdraw fee via other banks, ATM or Nation Electronic Payment System or as known as MAPS is about RM1 per withdraw at local MBPS, also at local foreign bank ATM via MBPS network. RM12 is charged for the withdraw at cross-border MBPS member bank and also withdraw via Visa network. Next is internet banking instant transfer, or known as IPFT, via ATM. No fees and charge to RM0.01 cents to 5,000 ringgit. But 5,000 ringgit and above charge about 50 cents only. The last one is replacement. 12 ringgit need for the case due to loss or stolen card, loss of PIN or card damaged by the customer. Besides, due to faulty card return on technical defect or recall by the bank, for replacement is exempted. Other than that is due to fraud transaction or card information compromise, also exempted.
Fee and charge for Affin Islamic Mastercard basis is the minimum monthly payment was calculated by Affin Islamic Bank is 5% of the current balance plus 100% of service tax, if any, plus 100% of any monthly installment plus 100% past due amount, if any. The amount of that calculation will be paid by the customer for every month in terms of charge by the bank to the customer. The annual fee for every cardholder Mastercard basis was waived for life. In terms of cash withdrawal fee is 5% on the cash withdrawal amount, subject to a minimum of RM20 for each transaction, whichever is higher. For the next is replacement of card will be charged RM20 for Affin Mastercard basis. For card courier fee, the cardholders will be charged minimum RM5 ratio for card delivery upon request. The fee will be determined by location and weight of the item. For conversion fee was determined when cardholders use the card outside Malaysia. The transaction incurred will be converted to Ringgit Malaysia, where the exchange rate is determined by Mastercard International at the date it is proceeded by Mastercard International plus 1% foreign exchange rate, which the previous is known as administration cost. And for service tax, the bank will charge RM25 Malaysia for each principal and supplementary credit card. For debit card, Affin Islamic Bank has stipulated that no penalty fee will be imposed on all customers. And for credit card, Affin Islamic Bank has required each customer to pay compensation for late payment of ta'wid, which is 1% of the outstanding balance up to a maximum of RM100. In conclusion, debit cards allow you to withdraw money from your saving account, while credit card allow you to use money in advance for spending purpose until the maximum level of money that has been limited by the bank. For credit card, Affin Islamic Bank has introduced 6 types of credit card, which is Affin Mastercard Basic, Affin Mastercard Gold, Affin World Mastercard, Affin Platinum Mastercard, Affin Advance, and Affin Invicta World Mastercard Credit Card. While for debit card, Affin Islamic Bank only offer one type of debit card, which is Affin Islamic Visa debit card. Debit card usage rates are higher than credit card because debit card provide more benefit to cardholders. It is because the debit card are more available for cash withdrawal than credit card that only allow customer to credit the money first during the purchase transaction and then repay monthly to the bank. In addition, credit card will encourage customer to overspend without realizing it. This will cause inconvenience to customer to repay the money that has been spent to the bank on a monthly basis. Therefore, everyone should have a debit card in daily affair, but it is not recommended to have a credit card more than one and can be used in time of emergency only as a measure to avoid wastage and additional debt to the bank.